another sewing video. I don't know why, but I like stopped making any other videos because, I don't know, just sewing is so much fun for some reason. It just like calms me down. I don't know. Anyway, as you probably already know, this video is all about those cropped cardigans that have been all over the internet, the world. Like, I've been seeing them everywhere. My whole Pinterest boards are like filled with them because they're so freaking cute. And yeah, I was just going through my mom's closet once again and I found these three little cardigans. They are the perfect colors for the spring and summer 2020 because I've been seeing these like pastel-y yellow and purple everywhere, plus green has been super like on trend for some reason, so that's always good. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with this video. This little cardigan is the first thing that I'm gonna be transforming today. It's already pretty cute, however, for some reason, don't know why, it has a hood. Like, I look like a pickle. So yeah, I'm gonna be seam ripping this bad boy off and somehow making a clean seam. This is the only cardigan that I already have that is already cropped, so that's a bonus. I don't have to crop it. So yeah, let's get into this. Oh, also I forgot to say, I just made a video on these super cute skirts. They're like Brandy Melville dupes. So yeah, if you're interested, make sure to check that out. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to seam rip the hood off. I've never seam ripped something on a sweater before. So yeah, I'm just gonna seam rip the tag off first and then I'll just try to seam rip the hood off. Hopefully I won't make a mess because I don't know, I kind of don't know what I'm doing right now, so yeah. I just ripped that. Did you see that? Well, that was way easier than I thought. Also, I'm watching Miss Americana. It's a documentary about Taylor Swift. I didn't know she was such a great person, so go watch it if you want. Or not. I'm just gonna keep seam ripping this, okay? Okay. Okay, so like 20 minutes have passed. The hood is still on. There was like this little band that was holding the hood there, but it's still there. I don't know. My explanation skills are not that good, but you know. Yeah, so the thing I realized is that if I will just take it off, I don't know if it looked that good. This is how it looks when I like tuck the hood in. It doesn't look so bad. So what I'm thinking is that I'm just gonna cut the hood off with the scissors and then I will just hem it like right where the collar should be. I have no idea what I'm doing. God. You know what? I'm gonna stop overthinking. I'm just gonna cut it. Oh my god, I hate doing this. I hate cutting into like a good fabric because, oh my god, okay. Why am I stressing so much over this? It's okay, it's just a freaking thing. But it's already so cute and I don't want to like destroy it, you know? Anyways, I'm just gonna cut the hood off, leaving like an inch seam allowance so I could do the double row hem, or if anything goes wrong, there's still an inch of fabric left. The terrible hood is off. Great. I'm gonna try to do like the, look, like I'll take the raw fabric and like roll it up 2 times. So yeah, I didn't film this for some reason on camera, but I rolled it up 2 times and I pinned it all the way down so it looked like this, and then I just sewed it down with a normal straight stitch. After that, I was pretty much done with this one. Don't worry, I will show you the before and after, but first I'm gonna show you all the other ones that I did. The next cardigan is this one. Yeah, now it's just not what I like. I will definitely crop it. Also, I will try to keep this little like ribbed detail on the end still there because you already know I love keeping those on the shirt. I don't know, I just feel like it makes it look more professional. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I just folded the cardigan up to where I wanted it to end. I also just put a pin under the ribbed detailing that I wanted to save. Then I took it off and I folded it up all the way around and I pinned it all the way around. and then I took it to my sewing machine and I just straight stitched it right under the ripped part that I wanted to save. Okay, so it's actually the next day. I tried the cardigan on. It looks like this. It's not so nice. Like, I still have to cut like the axis off because it's just like, I just tucked it in for the moment now. And then I will just take a bit from the sides to make it a bit tighter. And then I'm just gonna take the buttons like from the axis that I'm gonna cut off and just sew them here, because I also like sewed this opening right here, so it's like closed, you can open it. So I'll just sew the buttons right on there, and yeah. Okay, so as I already said, I just cut the axis off, and then I just cut off the 3 little buttons from the axis so I could sew them onto the cardigan. This is me just marking where I needed to put the buttons, and then I just sewed it right on there. Once I was done, I just figured out how much fabric I needed to take in from the sides. I kind of eyeballed this because my cardigan was really stretchy. However, you can definitely measure it if you're not sure. So yeah, I just made 2 little marks on the side of the cardigan, and then I just connected it with the sides of the top, and I just made a line there. I pinned it down, and then I just zigzag stitched it all the way down. Then I also cut off the axis, and I was done. Okay, and then the last thing I'm gonna be transforming is this super cute pastel-y yellow cardigan. I'm gonna crop it, and you know me, I'm gonna keep this cute ripped detail on the end. Okay, so it's the next day again, and I know I said I wanted to keep this reap detailing right here, but I tried to do that with the purple one, and it just took like a lot of time because it's kind of hard to like match up these, like, I don't know how you call these, like the button down thing. So I think I'm gonna cut the cardigan like right here. So yeah, that's literally what I did. I just laid it on a flat surface. I just cut it with my scissors and I hemmed it. And then I again took some fabric from the sides. I again totally eyeballed this, and I did that the same way that I did it with the previous one. And yeah, then I was done. So yeah, this is once again how the cardigans looked before. And this is how they look now. Okay, and that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. All of those cardigans turned out so well. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I have to say I had some trouble sewing these cardigans because I've never sewn with like a stretchy knit fabric. So it took me quite some time to figure out like on which setting I need to sew the fabric. But after I figured everything out, it was totally okay. And yeah, also all those skirts that you saw me wear in the try-on part, I made a tutorial on them last week, so if you want to see how I make them, it's literally super easy. It like takes you 10 minutes to make them. So yeah, if you're interested, here's a link for them. Also, there's a link in the bio. And that's it. So I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next week. Bye!